In this video, I want to talk about how you can sell covered calls inside of Webull. Now, the way that you can do this is you want to make sure that your account is verified as well as you have options trading, that you're eligible for options trading. Otherwise, this doesn't work. Now, once you've done that, you want to open up the Webull app, search for the stock, and then what you want to do is go to the options chain. So there should be an options tab in there where you can do this. Then what you want to do is you want to select the call option, which is you want to select the expiration date as well as the strike price. And once you've done this, you just want to enter in your order details. So make sure that you enter in these. So the price you can choose, and you can choose if it should be a limit or market order. And also the time in force, you should select this. Once you've selected all of these, what you want to do is you just want to make sure that you have everything correct. And then you just want to confirm the order with the sell. And once that is done, you have now done it. So that is the short version on how you can do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.